Hello Internet and fellow educators, welcome to my tutorial on how to use the website application Listenwise. I will be showing you how to make an account, how to access the different podcasts and articles on Listenwise, and how to assign these podcasts with comprehension questions to students. The first step to getting started with Listenwise is to make an account. So when you're on the Listenwise homepage, you can just wander on over here to log in. And since you're an educator watching this, you're going to click I am a teacher. So here we are on the teacher login page. I personally made my account using the login with Google feature just to keep it simple using my Gmail account. You can also use the regular email and password setup to sign in and to make an account. So after you successfully sign in with Google, you will be placed on your teacher dashboard. This is where you can see the classes and the quizzes that you've assigned to your students. My students will be reading Romeo and Juliet soon. Easily use this search bar here. What are you teaching? I am teaching Romeo and Juliet. And I hit enter and I can start searching. So here I am with my search results on Listenwise. As you can see, Listenwise makes it pretty easy to customize your search results. It looks like one result fits my needs, so I'm going to read a little bit more about it. So this is what the assignment will look like on your end as the teacher. Because this particular assignment features English language learner supports, there's a list of vocabulary that students can access, as well as tiered vocabulary. There's also some scaffolding, so if you need to adjust this for different needs and different students in your class, Listenwise takes some of the work out of that for you. So I am going to hit create assignment. So I'm going to call this R&J assignment 1. So you can also choose what students will be able to view. So I'm going to save that and go on to our next step. Here are some of the comprehension questions that Listenwise provides for you to assign students to ensure that they followed along with the story and understood it. You can also add questions as you take away from them. Listenwise continues to be extremely customizable throughout the assignment process. For example, you can customize the instructions that you give students. So I am now done with my assignment to assign this to my other class here. Their due date will be next Wednesday. One point to note with Listenwise is if you do want to assign a quiz to students and an assignment, you do have to do those things separately. So I already created an assignment based on this audio for students. I would like to give them the quiz, so I'm going to hit assign quiz, and I can just select the class. I'm going to make that due the same day. So now that we have assigned our students their work, I'm going to place student and log in as student. As I said earlier, your students will have to make an account. They can sign up easily using their email, their school email, or a Gmail account. So now that I've logged in, I can access my student dashboard. As you can see the assignments that I have due, which ones I've started, which ones I have not started, which ones have quizzes, all of that great information. So I would like to do the assignment before I take the quiz. So I'm going to go to Letters to Juliet. Here are my instructions that I specifically input, as well as the prior learning I added into the story description. Something unique about Listenwise is the fact that you can actually slow down the audio that you listen to. So if the audio is going just a little too fast, or perhaps if you're a language learner, this is a great feature that would help you out as you complete this assignment. So here I am back on my student dashboard where it sent me after I submitted the assignment. Now I am ready to take my Letters to Juliet quiz, so I'm going to start that. I can listen to the audio again as well as access the transcript one more time before I actually take the quiz. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to use listenwise.com. I hope that as an educator you were able to gain some insight into how to use audio through Listenwise in your classroom and how to assign it to students of different needs and interests. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.